This Buzz Drops is making a lot of waves in the on the internet, and let's see if this product is a legit product. Should you buy this from Nama CBD? So let's start. The one thing you will notice, there are no real reviews of this product on the internet. If you will see their reviews they have given them on their website, they can easily be manipulated. I could not find any real review here, but you will see there are some reviews like this here, but these are just paid sponsored TikTok videos. You will see here most of them are just TikTok videos, so you should not trust them at all also. So then you will ask what you should believe. So here is one review of this product. You will see that this person on Reddit ordered this product. This was overpriced, trust CBD, and this person even tried to 3 times the high dose. He went on to around 4 times the recommended dose, and still it did not work. And this does not work in like they are saying in 20 minutes this works. This is not working in that. You can pause and read this review here. But for one person it worked. You can see for him it worked around 30 to 40 minutes later. And for this third user this did not work. This is just a complete waste of money. So there are only 3 to 4 reviews on the whole internet. So I don't think you should buy this product, because there are very few reviews of this product on the whole internet, since the product is very not very old.